Welcome and good morning. I am Paul Grist with Grist Real Estate, and you're here on the live stream. We're back in business with Facebook, and today we are at 310 Old White Trail in White Sulphur Springs, right in Villa Park. And of course, at Grist Real Estate, we are a team. And behind the camera today,
it's Hope Cunningham, the buyer's agent at Grist Real Estate. Let me know if you like this house and we'll set up a tour for you.
absolutely. So as we are getting started today, just a reminder, Grist Real Estate, we operate as a team, which helps us provide better service for you. So give us a call and we will give you a new experience in real estate. So today we're going to walk through the home first, and then we're going to come out, take a look, and go behind the home because there's a special surprise up on the hill behind. So come on in and we'll check out this recently renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. It's about 2,150 square feet. So as you come into your front foyer, off to your right, we have the bedroom suites. And then off in this direction, we've got the kitchen, living area. So let's go check out the kitchen first. And of course, as we're going through, we always appreciate the likes and hearts and the shares. We love the love, so thank you. And love the shares too, because that helps us find the new owner of this wonderful home here. So as you can see, lovely solid surface cabinet, countertops here, a lot of space. Got updated appliances, stainless steel. Got this flat top electric cook. Got a nice double farm style sink right here, and looking out over Villa Park. So we sit on the hill just a little bit above Villa Park, but we're walking distance to downtown. So within just a few minutes, you can be right at the heart of town where they have Roadhog Barbecue. There's the local right there where you can get lots of goods, and Ace Hardware store, all kinds of great things within just a few minutes walk of here. But you'd never know you were that close to downtown being in this location with your pretty private setting. So as we swing back here, we've got a nice cozy dining area leading into our sunken living room here. So this home was built around 1949, 1950, retained some of those design elements of that particular decade. So you've got this nice bump out area here, and of course, what makes a living room complete is your nice fireplace here with the gas logs. Nicely painted brick, great hearth, you can sit there. And as we are heading into the fall and winter seasons, you're absolutely going to love having this in your living room. As you can see, we've got updated floors here. This is the nice pre-finished hardwood floors that are put in, updated tile all throughout. I believe this is marble.
Don't forget to mention the furniture.
Oh, thank you very much. So, one of the neat features with this is that the furnishings can be purchased with the home. So this could be literally a turnkey. You buy the home, furnishings, all you have to do is bring your suitcase and you can live here. You know, and another option on this home too, it's actually currently on the Airbnb rental pool. And you could do that as well. So this could be a good investment property for somebody, especially with the location so close to downtown and the Greenbrier Resort just a few minutes up the road.
Hi Fiona, I see that you're watching. Let us know what you think.
Hey Fiona, thanks for joining us. So here we've got the laundry room off to my left, storage, utility sink, great area which is coming right off of our garage. We've got a nice one-car garage with storage space. You know, leads right into the home. So on those nice rainy days, you just drive right in, park, and you're in your own home. And then of course here right off of the, what you might call the mudroom area, is a nice 3/4 bathroom with a shower. And I'll let Hope give you a peek inside.
I'm just amazed at how much natural lighting comes in here. You know, the garage area, it's so bright.
Absolutely. So let's check out the bedrooms. So as you can see, as we get into the living area again, we've got these nice pre-finished hardwood floors again. First bedroom. Got a very nice sized bedroom with the windows in the back, good sized closet. Coming on back to the other guest bedroom. So in here, let's get up a little bit closer to the window, see if we can get the light. We wanted to open that up so you can get a hint of that you do get these nice mountain views, long range views right from this home. This is a nice corner bedroom. It's got the double windows in it. Right next to our other 3/4 bathroom. I'm sorry, this is the full bathroom. It's got the tub in it. But as you can see, all of this has been recently renovated. About 3 years ago, I believe. And here we are, our master suite. Very spacious. Plenty of room for a large bed. You could probably get a king size in there if you wanted. Got our queen size bed here. And then another area as well. So this has been used as a bedroom here, or putting your bed in this area. Could be a nice sitting room, workout area, office space, plenty of options. And of course, nice oversized closet. It's got some nice depth to it. Pull back a little bit to help with the view on that.
Yeah.
We don't have the wide angle lens, so we got to modify a little bit. And then of course, we have our master shower and bathroom suite. So I'll let Hope go ahead of me and take a good look at that. Updated vanities, tile work in the shower, on the floors. Yeah, so really, this home was built, hard to believe, 60, 70 years ago. But lots of updates done within the last 3 years. So if you have any questions, let us know. Or if you'd like to come, take a look at it afterwards, send us a message. We'll be glad to set it up. This home is easy to show. So we're going to go back outside. I'm going to take you around the back like we promised. So our yard here, very spacious. Sits up on the hill.
Yes, David, it is a very nice walk-in shower. Let me know and we can go take a look. David, Monday.
Oh, hey, David. You need a place in White Sulphur too, not just in Alderson. All right, we're gonna walk back up the hill slowly but surely. Thank you for bearing with us. Got a good sized yard to walk through here. So this is about the big reveal.
Walking backwards in hills, up a hill. Whew, this is fun. Holy moly.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
So this is worth the little walk to your backyard area. It's nicely terraced, And as you can see down here, somebody had the wonderful idea to put a little fire pit in. This would definitely be a great spot to enjoy on pretty days, relax in the evenings, come up here. And the view that you're looking out across, that's actually over the Greenbrier Sporting Club, and then in the very back, that's White Rock Mountain. The mountain you see the furthest out, if I am correct on my directions there. So you're looking back east, and it's a really nice, peaceful setting. Of course, you've got Villa Park below, and then you've got, within walking distance, you've got the new pool that's in that area, the new community center. This is just, checks off a lot of boxes if you're looking for a nice home with some privacy to it, walking distance to town, close to the Greenbrier, you name it. So again, we've got 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,150 square feet roughly, with a nice 1-car garage, and just waiting for you to make it your own. So thank you for joining us today. Any questions, comments? We always love the likes and shares. Thanks for doing that.
David had said that being situated on a hill adds privacy too. And yeah, absolutely. Definitely beautiful too, David.
So bring some of those friends and family over, David, and join you here in the Greenbrier Valley. So for all of you, thank you for joining. We really appreciate you. You all make our world a complete place. So I'm Paul Grist with Team Grist, and we also have, of course,
Hope Cunningham, the buyer's agent at Grist Real Estate. Give me a call. I would love to show you this. You've got to see this for yourself.
That's right. So Hope will take care of you with Team Grist. We'll see you all soon. Thank you.